Hello, this is Mr. Doty, and I'm going to do a short little video here talking a little bit about oblique drawings. This is using AutoCAD, and basically when you're drawing an oblique, what you want to do is you want to draw the front view of the object. Now, I picked one of the ones that's not in the assignments that we're going to do in the class, just to make it a little easier. Actually, I picked a fairly difficult one, unfortunately, because there's these two holes that would be down under here that I haven't drawn anything in for yet. But anyway, so if I drew the front view of this object like so, and then the idea would be is you would copy them back at a 45-degree angle on this axis right here, and you would copy it back whatever the depth of your part was. So this one has a little step up, and then this is excuse me, midway back here. And then, of course, your circle here, these circles are round, which is nice, makes it easier. I didn't give you anywhere you had to draw these lovely holes like so. These are kind of hard to draw. So anyway, because they're not iso circles because they're at a different angle. And obliques just are different. But anyway, this is all you have to do. And you basically just draw it back. It's like an isometric, except you're drawing the front view of the object and then using that to project back with. Remember to always keep your views, if it's something circular, draw it as a circle, like it's standing up and you're looking at the circle, and then project it back, just like I did this one. Alright, that's really all there is to it. I'm not exactly sure that I need to do anything else. I mean, I could go in here and, I could copy this line here for you and I'll show you what I'm talking about, which isn't a big deal. So we'll just do that. Here you go. So if I go there, I go to copy it all the way back here, right? Wow, there's a whole lot of extra information, right? Well, no big deal. I'm going to copy this guy up here, right there, and then right there. Okay, obviously I don't need this line because it's there. And, these actual lines here, I guess I shouldn't delete them. I should probably copy them. So we'll just do that. And we'll copy it. And it just so happens that the measurement for this was halfway. So I'm just going to click on my midpoint. If I had the distance, then it would be a certain distance. I forgot to copy this, so I'll copy this again. And there's that. Okay, so now that I've got that out of the way, I can delete this one and then go into my trim, and we can do some trimming. Whoops. The new trim is a little goofy. I don't really like it, but that's okay. And that's all I'm gonna, I guess I'll get rid of that. And like so, don't need that. There we go. Now it's starting to look like something. And we don't need that. And you don't need that little piece right there. Alright, so I'll take this, copy it over, because it should be about the same length as this, right? And then obviously we need to trim that up a little bit. Okay, and then the last thing that I need to do, because I'm not going to draw these two circles in for you because they were kind of a pain, is I'm going to do line, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do tangent, and then tangent right here. And then I just have to go in and trim a little piece off, and that's basically what I drew right there. So I drew the front view and then projected back at 45 degrees, and that's really all there is to it. So there it is, short and sweet, oblique drawings, no big deal. Have fun.